In this video, I'll show you how to block scam tokens, dev wallets, and Twitter shillers on Axiom Pro Trade. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So of course, the first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll drop a link down below in the description that will get you a 10% discount on your trading fees for life. When you click on that link, you'll come to a page that looks like this. Click on Start Trading and make sure Keys shows up right over here in the invite code section. That's going to make sure you get the discount, and it'll also help this channel out. So once you've logged in, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and we're going to head over to the Pulse tab. And right over here next to display, you're going to see this Blacklist dev handle and keyword icon. You're going to click on that, and right here, it'll give the options to blacklist developer addresses, contact addresses, keywords, websites, and Twitter handles. In order to do that, for example, let's find a scammy developer. Let's check out this guy right here. We'll head over to dev tokens, and we can see here that he has published 12,850 tokens that have not migrated, and only 84 of the tokens that he did create migrated. So if we wanted to block him from seeing his future tokens, we'd just go over to holders and look for the developer that usually has this chef hat right here. Copy his address, go back into the Pulse. We're going to click on the blacklist icon, and right here, we're going to just add in the address we copied. Click on blacklist, developer address, and we've just added him to our blacklist. So now we won't see any of his future projects. If you want to remove it, you can just click on the delete button right here, and it'll remove him off of your blacklist. Now, after you've been trading for a while, you're going to notice that there's specific keywords that pop up that you know they're automatically going to be scams. So if you want to add a keyword, you go back to this, click on keywords, and enter the keyword that you want to blacklist, such as live, for example. If you know, you know, click on blacklist keyword, and now we've just added that keyword to our blacklist as well. And for the last example, if we want to block a Twitter handle, for example, let me just find one real quick. Let's say I want to blacklist this Twitter handle right here. I'll just go back into Pulse, click the blacklist icon, add the Twitter handle, click blacklist handle. Now we have also added that Twitter handle to our blacklist. And you can see right here under keyword, we have our keyword. Go to handle, we have our handle. And to delete them, just click on remove, and we're back to normal. You can also import and export if you wanted to share or receive from somebody else. You can blacklist up to 1,000 tags, and that's basically it. That's how to block scam tokens, dev wallets, Twitter shillers, and more on Axiom Pro Trade. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.